Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn that how to subtract numbers in Microsoft Excel. So the easiest way to subtract numbers, so you have to follow these simple steps. So let's suppose we write some numbers. This is, let's suppose, 400, and here we write the 500. So in the one cell we have write the numbers 400, and in the second we have write the number 500. So now select the cell in which you want to get the answer. So let's suppose we want to get the answer in this cell. So first, in order to do any calculation in Excel, so first you have to enter the equal sign. For any formula to apply, so first you have to enter the equal sign, then you have to select the number from which you want to subtract. So we want to subtract 400 from the 500, so we will select the 500, and then we'll enter the sign of minus, and then we'll enter the another number 400, and then simply click on the enter. So the difference between this 500 and 400 is equal to 100. A simple way. So if you have any question you can ask, and thank you for watching this video.